I'm Virginia Lowry, and I've been teaching at St. John's for 11 years. I taught in the public school for a good while, and now I'm at St. John's. We do a lot of math in here. I teach the math. We do accelerated math. We do all kind of things, manipulatives that we do use, and so I'm grading accelerated math, and we're all trying to get to 72. So a bunch of us have, and there's a couple more working because tomorrow's cutoff day. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay. Today our lesson is on money. Okay, you know, yesterday in our math book we had prices in there, different things cost different things, and we had to figure out if we had enough money to buy it. Do y'all remember that yesterday? Okay. Well, today we're going to actually come to our little store here, and you're going to get your money out in just a minute. You're going to get your money out, and you're going to come up here, and you're going to buy something, okay? And you're going to take it back to your desk. Now, if you don't have enough money, then you can't buy it. So you've got to figure out what you want to buy, and then you're going to go back to your seat, and you're going to see if you can actually count that money out. Then you're going to bring it to me, and I'm going to be the cashier, so I'll see if it's enough money for you to buy it, okay? All right, Jace, come up here and just look at the items and see what you might want to buy. Just look at it. All right, Emma, come to look at them and see what you might want to buy. Now go sit down and think about what you're going to buy. Okay, come on, Ashi. See what you think you might want to buy. Come on, Kelton. Colt. Okay, go sit down. Oh, no. Don't buy it yet. You'll come, go take it. Bring it back, baby. Look, bring your little item back. Yeah, you just look and see how much it costs. And then you're going to see, listen. All right, come on, Charlie. See what you might want to buy. And then I want y'all to be looking at your coins in just a minute and see if you've got enough money to buy.
Okay.
All right, come on, Sophia. Come on, Zayla. Okay. All right. Now, all of you get your coins out real carefully and count out how much your item costs, so we'll see if you got enough money to buy. And then I'm going to ask you one at a time to bring your money up here, and you're going to tell me how much it is. I want you to count it out at your seat. Count it out. I think Jason's got his ready, so he is ready. Shh, wait.
I'm ready.
Okay, just count it out. Make sure you have enough money when you come up here to buy whatever you want to buy. Okay, Jace, come on up and let's see if you got enough. What item did you want to buy?
That.
Okay, that. And how much does that cost?
27 cents.
All right, see if you have 27 cents. How much is a quarter worth?
25 cents.
And you got 2 pennies? Count it.
25, 26, 27.
Very good. Okay, give me that money. And you go take that little item to your seat. Okay, come on, Emma.
I wanted to buy this little sticky.
Okay, did you bring me some money?
Yes, sir.
How much is it?
10 cents.
How much is 10 cents worth? How much is a dime worth?
10 cents.
10 cents. You got it. Go take it to your seat. Come on, Ashi. What do you want to buy?
I wanted to buy like this, but I got 25, but I got
Okay, you got enough. Come here.
enough.
How much could you use?
I should use 3 nickels.
Go see if you got 3 nickels and then come back. That quarter will buy it, but I'll have to give you change. So see if you got 3 nickels. Okay, and let's let Ashi see if she's got those, and she's going to come by. And Kelton, you be thinking what you want, and then I'll let you come up next.
I I want to do that.
You got it, Ashi?
I'm working it. I have 2 more nickels.
Alright, let me see. We put it out on your list. Alright, there's a nickel. And you got it? Alright, you come up here and we'll get yours. Alright, now what did you want to buy? Okay, 15 cents. Very good. Alright, how much is it?
28.
Okay, have you got 28 cents?
Mhm.
Alright, let me see what you got.
25, 26, 27, 28.
You got it. Very good. Alright, come on, Colt. Shh. Alright, what did you want to buy, Colt? How much does that cost?
5 cents.
Have you got 5 cents?
No, I want to get help.
Alright, how much did you got for me? How much is a nickel worth?
5 cents.
You got it. Come on up, Charlie.
I want to buy this.
Alright, and how much does it cost?
21 cents.
And you got me what?
A quarter and a penny.
Okay, what else could you buy it with? That's gonna be too much, so what could you use? Think about what 21 cents is. How much is 20 cents?
2 dimes.
2 dimes. 2 dimes. So go bring me 2 dimes and a penny.
Okay.
And we won't owe you any change.
Oh, I want the change back.
Okay. Alright, here you go. Alright. So you gave me 21 cents. I mean, you gave me 20, how much did you give me? 20,
1.
25, 26 cents. So I'm giving you that back, okay? Alright. Go take that to your seat. Okay, come on up, Sophia. Colt, stop, baby. Come on up, Sophia, and tell me what you want to buy. Alright, what did you want to buy? Show me what you want to buy. Remember, I told y'all to come look just a few minutes ago, and then you could be thinking about it. What do you want to buy? Alright. Have you got 9 cents? No, that's not 5, that's a quarter. Go find me a nickel. Go find me a nickel. And then bring it back. A nickel and how many pennies is 9 cents? Zayla, you come on while she's trying to find hers. What are you going to buy? Okay, and how much are they? 25 cents. And how much is that worth?
25 cents.
That's a quarter, and it's worth 25 cents, okay? Take those to your seat. 5, count it out for me.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good. And you got a marker for 9 cents. All right, Jace, how much is a quarter worth?
25 cents.
Good. Ashi, how much is a dime worth?
10 cents.
How much is a nickel worth, Charlie?
5 cents.
How much is a penny worth?
1 cent.
Okay. How many pennies does it take to make a nickel, Sophia? A nickel. How much is a nickel worth?
5.
So how many pennies would it take?
5.
Good. How much is, how many pennies would it take to make a dime, Colt? How much is a dime worth?
5.
No. How much is a dime worth?
10.
10. So how many pennies would you need? How many pennies would you need to make a dime?
10.
10. Okay. Kelton, it's okay. Kelton, how many pennies would nickels would it make to make a dime? How much is a nickel? How much is a nickel?
25 cents.
No, how much is a nickel? Somebody help him out. Ashi? How much is a nickel?
5 cents.
5. So how many would he have to make a dime?
10. I mean 5.
No, to make a dime. If 2. 2 nickels make a dime because 5 and 5 is what?
10.
10.
All right, boys and girls, let's count to 100 by our tens first. Let's go. 10,
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Good job. Okay, so what about our fives? Can we count to 100 by our fives?
Yeah.
Let's go.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100.
Good job. All right, that was great. Good job. Okay, so while you were counting, I passed out a worksheet. Can anyone tell me what this worksheet is about? We've gone over this. Place value. Good job. Okay, so what we're going to do on this worksheet, we are supposed to cut and paste these numbers on here, but we're going to go over it first. And what I want you to do is get a pencil out. And instead of cutting and pasting first, we're going to just write them, the answers in the blanks, okay? But we're going to work this together, and then you can go back and cut and paste, okay? So who can tell me, raise your hand, what this stat right here means? Let's see, Charlie, can you tell me what this stat means? That means it is a group of 10. Good job. So under that group right there, under that stack, go ahead and put a 10 under the letter A. Go ahead and put a 10. Okay? Ashi, can you tell me, it's okay, it's fine, here's another one. Ashi, can you tell me how many of these are right here?
There are 3.
3, okay, good job. So write a 3 under these 3 separate ones on letter A. So Zaylin, can you tell me how many, good job, Holt. Can you tell me how many we have all together, Zaylin, right here? We have 10 right here and we have 3 right here. How many is that all together?
10, 11, 12,
13,
13.
good job. Okay, so everybody write 13 right up here in this first problem, in this first blank. All right, we're going to move on and we're going to kind of go through this quickly, so y'all hang with me, okay?
Okay.
All right, letter B right here. How many do we have in this first stack?
10.
Go ahead and say 10. How many ones do we have?
6.
We have 6, exactly. So how many is that all together? 10 plus 6 is? 16. Good job. And how do we get to 16 if we're counting? So if we're starting at 10, we do what? We put 10 in our fist and we count to,
6.
we're counting to, right, exactly. So 6, and that gives us what? 10, 11,
13, 14, 15, 16.
good job. All right, so let's move down to letter C. How many 10s do we have? 1 set of 10. So write a 10. And then we have how many ones? 1. So what's our total? What does that equal
11.
to? Tell me, Ashi.
11.
11. Good job. Okay. let's recount really quick. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
good job. 9, because if we had 10, we would have a stack right there, wouldn't we? Good job. Okay, so let's use these counters to finish up these last 2 problems, okay? And then I'll let you guys cut and paste. So we have these counters right here, right? So, what problem are we on? Letter E. We have a stack of what? 10. So I have 5 right here. 6, 7, 8. 9. And, well, 9 and 10. Okay, so, let's see. Sophia, can you show me, after we have 10 right here, we're on letter E right here. How many more would I need to make that total? You have your 10. How many more of these ones would I need to make that total?
5.
Good job. And 5. All right. And then we have one more. Raise your hand. I'm going to pick the person who raises their hand and is quiet. Who wants to do the last one? Let's see. Emma. Let's go, Emma. All right. How many do you think I need, Emma? Total.
2 stacks of 10.
Okay, which equals to what?
20.
20. All right, show me. Show me 20.
1.
Mm-hmm. There you go, Jace. You be doing her other stack real quick. How many is that? You have 10? Let's do 10 right here, Jace.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yep. There you go. How many do you have? Let's count them up. You have 10 total, Emma? All right.
I got
10. All right. And so that looks like our last problem, right? Which is what?
20.
20. 20. Let's see. I think we might need one more on here. All right. So we have 2 sets of 10. So, all right. Well, this is place value, boys and girls. So go ahead and make sure you have all those answers written down, and then we'll get our glue and our scissors out, okay? And then you can go ahead and cut and paste.